Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Well, in this video, I will give you some tips regarding your IBPS RRB prelims preparation. Before I give you tips, let me tell you, in this video, I will give you some points on which you need to really focus. Second thing, some hot topics in both reasoning and maths. Okay, and then I will give you that how you should approach. Okay, so first, if you need to clear this exam, and I'm speaking specifically in terms of IBPS RRB prelims, you should have excellent speed. And how you can have excellent speed? You should have mastery over the basic concept of the chapter, because in prelims there is a higher possibility, and which has happened also, that questions are based on the basic concept only, and I'm talking more in terms of maths कि चैप्टर का जो भी बेसिक है, एवरेज और एजेस, लाइक रेशियो दैट 5 years ago the brother and me, our ages were in the ratio of so and so, डिफरेंस इतना था, तो फाइंड आउट द एज ऑफ ब्रदर. You will have a good help if you have a mastery over the basic concept of the maths. Okay, same rule goes for the reasoning. Now, in reasoning, what will be the general questions we will ask? Syllogisms, inequalities, okay, coding decoding, that 5 marks ka, okay, then 15-20 marks means 3-4 puzzles, like linear box puzzle, circular inward outward, month puzzle, and rest 5 will be that 2-3 marks ka blood relation, then that how many words can be formed with the first 4th 6th letter, so and so. This is the general pattern of reasoning. What will be the pattern of maths? 2 to 3 DIs, okay, then 12 to 13 marks this miscellaneous arithmetic, like time and work, compound interest, average, ages, वगैरह वगैरह, okay. Then there will be quality equations, 5 marks. There will be this thing, number series, 5 marks. And whenever that DI is asked, okay, so obviously tabular DI is looking to be common in such kind of exams. Then line graph DI expected, okay. Third DI can be depend on, like it can be bar graph also, it can calculate DI also, okay. This is the general trend on this exam. And you know what is the biggest problem in IBPS RRB prelims? That cutoff goes high. And why cutoff goes high? Vacancies वगैरह वो रहने दो, but पेपर इज़ रियली ईजी. सो कितने लोग मुंह उठा के 60-65 दे डू, समटाइम्स दे गो अबाउट 70 ऑल्सो, रियली गुड. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, इन प्रीलिम्स आई ऑलवेज से, मेंस में एक आध बार ठीक है, बट इन प्रीलिम्स you should not make a single mistake in reasoning and maths whatever you attempt, because whenever you attempt these kind of questions, definitely you should get 100% accuracy. And when you will have excellent speed, when you will have an excellent judgment of questions, see these topper, this scholar, how they clear the exam, because they know that they can crack this exam and they have an excellent judgment. वो लोग जानते हैं कि वो लोग को एग्ज़ाम कैसे क्लियर करना है. when they see a question, see puzzle, they know, okay, 4-5 adjustment, okay, this adjustment I should pick, it will help me to solve the other puzzle. This is how they said. See, anyone can solve linear puzzle, but if your neighbor is solving less than 1 minute than you, so obviously I'll pick him, because he is saving my time and giving productivity. You have to understand this difference. This prelims is going to be all about speed, or I would say excellent speed. इसकी वजह से तो मुंह उठा के लोग 50s 60s 70s में अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. एंड whenever you solve mock, I would say, see, in other exams it is okay to skip puzzles first, but in this exam there is a higher possibility that you can crack the puzzle once you see it, because when you solve a puzzle you get complete 5 marks ka bundle, minimum 5 marks definitely will be asked, okay. So इन दिस एग्जाम आई वुड नॉट से कि पजल को लास्ट में करो. हाँ, इन 3-4 puzzle there might be a one puzzle which will slightly trouble you. It can be like box puzzle, like 7 boxes have to be kept one by one ऊपर से, so that can be troublesome. But बाकी का you can solve like linear puzzle facing north and south, that you can do. Okay, yes, slightly one adjustment here and there, but you have to make your preparation in such a way that you should be ready for all these things. That's why I tell you, when you solve a mock, try to solve paper now in this way, because you have to get maximum. If you just wait for blood relation का 2 marks in this paper, you will get only 2 marks. But if you put the effort same way in puzzle, you will get 5 marks. And if you can solve that puzzle, definitely you will get a time to solve that particular 2 mark का blood relation, or that 2-3 marks का any miscellaneous reasoning like direction or any kind of thing. So this is how you have to progress. See, IBPS RRB is going to be about speed. Okay, there is even chance also that in 1 month, if somebody studies both these things, reasoning and math, even he can clear the exam, because prelims is kind of a thing which you can crack if you have very excellent speed. So let me tell you, master over these topics which I told you, because this is something which is asked in major quantity, like coding, decoding, puzzle, silox, inequality. This is a topic, these are the hot topics I would say. And judgment करना सीखो. I have seen students, you might have also seen, sometimes in these particular prelims they see the number series का question, they add it, okay, plus 24, okay, plus 32, so it's plus 40, so this is the number, and they crack it. What I mean, they do not even touch the pen, the rough work. इसको बोलते हैं स्पीड. So whenever there is a possibility, try to solve mentally, it will surely enable you. Okay, so prepare this way, it will help you to clear the prelims. Don't worry about 50s में 60s में कट ऑफ जाता है. Obviously लास्ट ईयर का कट ऑफ डेफिनेटली देखो कि उसके आसपास या उससे थोड़े ज़्यादा हमें मार्क्स निकालने हैं. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you.